Hi there. Time for another recommendation, another point of view from Siddharth Speaks. This week, it has something to do with music, in specific classical music. I'm so thrilled, really, that I've seen a series for the first time after years that I may have seen something which has classical music as its base. Classical music has the power and the beauty and the depth, but it doesn't have the mass resonance that popular music obviously has. That's axiomatic. But here is a series called Bandish Bandits, which makes classical music accessible. It's a wonderful achievement. It's a tour de force, therefore I'm recommending it to you because of the way classical music has been created in bites. It's not, hours of a riyaz, but you are actually seeing classical music in digestible, doses and very beautiful because this classical music has been created by Shankar Ehsaan Loy. Shankar Mahadevan with his musical partners Ehsaan and Loy have really pulled it off. His son Shivam is a real talent, and when you have musicians of the rank and quality of the great Pandit Ajay Chakravarti, and then you have Jonita Gandhi, and you have so many people who are well versed with classical music, singing openly and with great beauty. Those songs rip off my mind. Long after you finish seeing the series, you'll remember songs like Sajan Bina, Chedkhaniya, Masti Appa. Look at the way in which they've contemporized the entire thing. So they'll keep tripping off your mind. You'll keep humming them in your mind. To actually one point in this series, I never saw the names of the musicians in it, and that I thought was a pity. Because I think they're perhaps even more important than the normal standard technical cast which is making the film. And there are more of them. So if you really look at all the musicians who have taken part in it, the singers, the composers, the background score had somebody separate to it. Did you know that in order to be able to sing on screen classical music, to lip sync to it is an art by itself, and you needed to be trained for that, and there was somebody specially training you to do that. So it's a great pleasure to watch this film because of its musical innovation. Now it's another thing that the film is a bit corny, the series is a bit corny, because if you really look at it, it is filthy to the core. And but you forgive it. There are so many twists and turns in it which are typical, that heartless money lender or money lending bank, the wedding between a daughter who has a suspect past and so on. So all these, and they get it resolved very quickly. It seems to be for the requirements of getting on with the story. You quickly dispose of characters and you carry on, but you forgive it because it's overall set in such a riveting flow and movement with that music that it carries you through. It's a river, samundar, नदी जो है संगीत की, उसमें आप बहक जाते हैं आराम से. इसमें ख़ास तौर से मैं ये कहता हूँ कि एक नए फिल्म मेकिंग डायरेक्टर डियो हमारे सामने आए हैं और इनका नाम है अमृतपाल सिंह बिंद्रा और आनंद तिवारी. Actually learned the ropes when they assisted Anurag Basu in Barfi. So they have experienced what commercial Indian cinema could be, but with a meaningful flavor to it. And this is really path-breaking, I would say. I do remember that some years ago there was another series which had caught my attention, which had music as its flavor. The musical journey it was in a series called The Devarists, and that was by MTV. And there it was maybe a singer and a lyricist or a composer and another talented musician who would come together, and at the end of that episode they would have created a song. which they would play out. So it was very interesting to see how a song is created, the structure of the song. But the only thing was, it was a pure documentary. You had to be dedicated and you had to be understanding and you wanted to actually know in order for you to see that series. It did quite well. I mean, it lasted 4 or 5 seasons, but it didn't have the appeal that Bandish Bandits had. Naseeruddin Shah, अमेजिंग ठहराव, बहुत ही बढ़िया एक्टर हैं और सभी अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं उसमें तो मैं कहता हूँ कि मुझे तो एक्चुअली वो जो उसमें लड़का लड़की जो नए हैं उसमें बड़े इंटरेस्टिंग थे और maybe that is cliche, some of their performances, but I also must tell you that Shiva Chadha, the young lady who was an agile young dancer when she once did a sequence of anchoring with me for some documentaries we made 20 years ago, and here she is playing a marvelous role. And I've seen her growing as an actor. Kunal Roy Kapoor is a riot. Absolutely, that man, the way he performs, I find it fascinating to watch the effortless way in which he creates his character.
The deal was for 3 hits, darling.
And another real piece of, very interesting aspects of this is the dialogue.
तुम awesome हो, मैं awesome हूँ, तो मेरे अगले गाने के लिए तुम मेरे साथ गाओगे।
मैं एक म्यूजिशियन हूँ।
तो मैं क्या हूँ?
तुम इलेक्ट्रिशियन हो।
उसमें जो डायलॉग की कंस्ट्रक्शन है, जो बोल है उसमें बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है, unusual, it keeps surprising you, and that's the beauty of Bandish Bandits.
छोटे कपड़े पहन के बड़ा स्पीकर लगा के माइक पे गला फाड़ के चिल्लाने से कोई सिंगर नहीं बन जाता।
और अपनी गली में भौंकने से कुत्ता शेर नहीं बन जाता।
Bandish Bandits, actually the name of a band, is really the watch of this week and the sound of this week. I give this Amazon Prime series 8 out of 10.
You don't need to worry, get this party going on.
गरजे गरजे आज मेघ घनन घनन चायुरी दमक दमक चमके बिजुरी कहा रे तू राज आयो